So I got a call from the owner of this construction worker's car, and apparently it hadn't seen a wash in over 5 years. When I checked it out, I knew it was going to take some serious elbow grease to get it looking good again. I started with the engine bay, then moved on to the interior. Man, those mats were covered in mud. I scrubbed them down and then hit them with the pressure washer. They came out looking pretty sweet. After that, I vacuumed the interior and went to work on the seats. Let me tell you, they were packed with years of dirt, but nothing my drill brush and extractor can't handle. You can see years of dirt being extracted out of the seats. Next, I grabbed my trusty bore hair detailing brush with some hot steam and detailed the interior, including the steering wheel, dash, and console. It was caked in mud. I had to vacuum up those dirty ciggies in the ashtray too. I used my steamer to get rid of all the grease and grime that had built up over time. Dirt was embedded in every surface, but the steamer does a great job of breaking it all down. And finally, I applied a protective dressing and the finishing touches. The owner was stoked when he saw the end result, and I gotta say I was pretty happy with how it turned out too. Like and comment if you want to see more like this.